if I could go back in time and talk to the young me, I honestly think that I would just encourage, almost the way that my parents had encouraged me, I would encourage them just to continue to go after your passions, that you can achieve anything if you work hard, because I did work hard. Anybody who says, wow, you're so lucky or it's an overnight success, it wasn't. I mean, Jonathan and I have worked our butts off since we were kids to get to where we are today. And so yeah, I think I honestly would just go back in time just to be one more adult encouraging that kid that was a big dreamer to keep on dreaming big, because you can achieve anything you set your mind to. But if I was to have 100-year-old Drew come back and give me advice today, I bet you the advice that 100-year-old Drew would say is, you don't have to overwork yourself. You don't have to spend all your time on work. Know what your priorities are. Family is so important to you. Maybe it's time to put down the phone a little bit more and to get out there and spend a bit more time with family. Because I am a bit of a workaholic. I definitely will dig in, and all of a sudden 3 weeks has gone by and I've basically just been working. So enjoy the journey. That's probably the advice from 100-year-old Drew. Enjoy the journey. Don't just think of that end goal.